In this video, we're going to show how we can use RansNet XE-300, which has the GPIO connectors, to remotely monitor CCTV NVR. Because some CCTV NVR in the secure locations, they may not have direct connectivity back to the NOC, or for whatever reason you want to be able to remotely out of band to monitor the NVR instead of inline using the fixed line connectivity. So the XE-300 comes with the GPIO ports, which can link to the NVR GPIO ports. Then in the NVR, the GPIO ports can be mapped to the alarm settings. Then once the alarm is triggered, you will actually send a GPIO signal to XE-300. The XE-300 will capture that signal and send as alarm to the NOC. That's how you can remotely monitor the NVR without connecting to the NVR itself. That means using the GPIO connectors. We actually have this NVR already set up. So this Hikvision NVR, which works similar to many other brands of CCTV solution, it has multiple alarm out GPI connectors or GPIO connectors. In our scenario, or rather in our test here, we just use alarm 1, which is using one of the connector. We actually can support up to 4 for this model, so we just connect to alarm 1 to our GPI 11 or other GPI 1 here. So the XE has a SIM card already put in, already powered up and 4G connected. Then we have the camera here as well, pointing to our door. The XE-300 can be monitored by our Enfusion Cloud dashboard. So from the dashboard, you can monitor many details about the router, about the 4G connectivity, signal strength, and data usage, and also the router utilization and the latency of the connectivity. Then the GPIO port status as well. So in normal situation, when there's no alert, you should be getting a value of 1. So when there's an alarm, you'll get value of 0. Whoever is given access to the cloud dashboard, you just put your email here. Then you will, once there's a trigger, that means once there's an event, alarm event at the NVR site, you will create alert on the monitoring dashboard. You will also send the alert to the email. So now we are going to test the alarm for the NVR. First, can you walk in? So we're just going to check the motion detection when the door opens. So straight away, it's configured to pop out. Then we should be getting that alert from our monitoring system as well. So we refresh our system, so we get 0. That means there's an alert, and we should be receiving an email for that alert. Okay, so we received the alert for the same alarm remotely. So now I'm just going to clear the alarm so that we will recover that. Then once we recover, the monitoring status for the GPIO should be back to 1. Get a recover event, or rather recover alert. So now we're going to simulate another failure, which, let's say, a video loss, the camera. Again, the depends on your setting. You can actually, the different failure or alert scenario, you can set it to different alarm, and each alarm will be basically mapped to a different GPIO connector. So in my case, since I only have 1 connected here, so I map the video loss to the same alert. So now I'm going to turn off the video. So as you can see, now we have video. So I'm just going to turn off this camera connector, and the video is lost. Okay, now the video is lost, and the system actually has a beeping sound, and you can actually also see the alert from the NVR dashboard. So in here, we will see on Enfusion, we will receive that alert as well. The GPIO status changed to 0. That means there's an alert. Okay, now we receive another alarm for the new test, which is basically the turning off the camera. So now we are going to put back that CCTV camera, and we just wait for a while for the camera to fully load up. Okay, so now the camera comes back to clear, or we can manually just clear. So once we manually clear the alarm, on the Enfusion dashboard, we should be seeing the GPIO for this port back to 1. Okay, so the Enfusion status changed back to 1. That means everything is now fully recovered, and we should be expecting a recovery email as well. Okay, so that's how the alarm system works. Of course, the Enfusion dashboard also has many other monitoring metric that we can show to the operator. Okay, so the dashboard can show more in-depth information about the router utilization, the link availability, and all. So you can also generate historical reports for the utilization of the network and SIM card and all that, and the report can be customizable. You can schedule to send to a group of email and on a weekly or daily basis. Okay, so that's pretty much the demo for this one. Thank you very much for watching.